So a lot of people have been asking me how I change colors to different designs. So I decided to do a quick tutorial for a shirt that I was making for someone's birthday. So this is something that I found on Etsy because I was being lazy. I didn't feel like designing. And it just matched her personality. So what I did was I uploaded it into Photoshop. I hit the dropper to pick the color and then hit the paint bucket, and then it's just making sure the photo was picked, and then I just started changing colors. She's a girly girl, so she like girly colors, girly bright colors. So I thought that this was cute for her. And you just switch colors. This is something that she would like. It's nice, bright, and up her alley. So the more color for her, the better is her motto. And you also have to be careful so you won't do that. You have to make sure not the paint bucket itself, but it's an arrow that goes with the dropper too that actually change the colors of the items that's on the screen. Always save your work. That's the most important part because it will get lost. Make sure you save it in a folder where you're going to find it. Me personally, I save it under downloads. And then you just print